Good morning, class. What are you doing today in maths? You have already learned multiplication, numbers. You have learned all the operations addition, subtraction, multiplication, division on numbers. You learned about integers too. Now, today we are learning a new concept again. So, this time I am going to teach you how formulas are made. For example, if I have to measure the boundary line of a square field, suppose this is my square field like this. What is a square? In square, all the lengths are equal. So this is a square. All the lengths are equal. I have a square field and I have to measure the length of all the fields. Now, since all the lengths are equal, we can write it as S. Each side would be S. Now, if I have to measure that boundary wall, which is also called as perimeter, so we call the whole boundary line of the square field as perimeter. Now this perimeter, how will we calculate? We'll have to add up all the four sides, or we can just write one side is suppose 10 meters, then 4 times of it. So you get 4 into 10, that is 40 meters, right? So in this way we find out the perimeter of a square. Now if you have to generalize, now this square thing can be, the length could be just 2 centimeter. If I have drawn it on my paper, the length could be just 2 centimeters, the square's length. Then how will you calculate the perimeter? Then all four sides will be 2 centimeters. So 4 into 2, that is 8 centimeters. Now you have to generalize, you have to write a formula for any sided square, whatever the length may be. Then we will write it as, perimeter will be written as P, small p. Perimeter is equal to 4 into side. Here side represents any number, whatever the length of that square is. So perimeter here would be like this. How you will write it? Perimeter is equal to 4 into S. So wherever the numbers are written as letters, then it is called as a formula, and it is called as an algebraic expression also. So these letters P and S, they are also called as literals. Literals are actually numbers only, but we generalize, we have to write a formula. So suppose you have a big square of 100 centimeters length, then how will you find out the perimeter? Simply multiply by 4. So we generalize the formula, perimeter is equal to 4 into S, and P and S are called as literals. Have you followed? Now these letters which are written in the maths are also called as literals. They are called as literals and they form algebraic expressions, and all the mathematical operations you can operate on it. For example, if I say 5 more than a certain number, so let that certain number be x. We can just write that certain number which I do not know as x. 5 more than that. So how will you write it as x plus 5? Or if I say from certain number subtract 10. So that certain number can be substituted as y minus 10. So in this way you form the algebraic expressions. They are called as algebraic expressions. You can multiply also. For example, there are 6 girls and they ate x number of chocolates. So how you will write it as 6 into x? What you will write it? 6 into x as 6x. Or they ate y number of cakes. So 6 into y. What you will write? 6 into y. Suppose I say some certain number of chocolates were distributed in 10 children. Now certain number that is not fixed. It can change 100 or 200 or 300. Now that also can be written as y upon, how many children did I say? 10. So y upon 10. So all operations